terracotta orange. 1973 Lakewood S-23 with the aluminum blades. And we just picked this up. It's 10:50 p.m. Eastern Time, and we just got back about an hour and a half away from our home, but it's worth it. It was only $12. As you can see, it's in great condition. It's just a little dusty. This is as we brought it home. And a friend of mine, Andrew Block, sent me a message and said, look, I found this on Craigslist. So, of course, we had to have it. At first, it was a little strange because I called the guy, and he had just advertised it as 22-inch fan with 18-inch metal blades. So I called the guy, and I said, I'm interested in your fan on Craigslist. And he said, what fan? I got 3 fans. I'm like, oh, okay, the Lakewood. And he's like, the what? And I said, the Lakewood, the orange Lakewood box fan. Well, he reacted strangely. He said, well, wait, I didn't advertise it as a Lakewood. What do you mean Lakewood? Who are you? And I said, my name is Harley. like I said. And he said, I gotta go. I can't talk to you right now. Text me your information. We'll talk later. So I said, okay. He hung up brutally. I texted him my name, and I said, I'm interested in the, I didn't want another, situation, but I said, I'm interested in the Lakewood box fan, the orange one. He replied, again, on text, I didn't advertise any Lakewood. Who are you? So I said, okay, the fan, the orange fan, dude. Well, he said that I had until, this was about noon, 2 days ago, and he said I had until 12:30. Well, it was an hour and a half drive. I couldn't make it in half an hour, so I had no choice but to tell him, well, I can't make it by then. And he said, well, fine, you can come tomorrow, which would have been Friday. And today is Saturday. Well, I thought about it. I talked to Spats Bear. I said, yeah, I want that fan too, so let's do it. Well, I texted him back this morning, and because I saw it still on Craigslist, and I said, look, I haven't heard back from you. Is the orange box fan still available, yes or no? If not, that's fine. If so, I want to pick it up today. And then all day went by, he didn't respond. So we went to Lowe's to buy a little piece for the sink faucet, which broke and was causing the sink to leak. And while we were in Lowe's, or no, I'm sorry, this was right before we got to Lowe's, he texted me and said, sure, our fan is available. I'm there now if you come right now. And I'm like, oh, jeez, we're an hour and a half away. So I texted him back and I said, all right, but it's going to be like 8:15, 8:30. And he replied, okay, I'll wait. I got there and he wasn't crazy. He was very elderly and, just sort of the suspicious type. You know what I mean? When I say that about the very elderly. They don't want to give out their address because they're afraid of, their Bell 500 home phone hacked and their checkbook stolen somehow. And, they're just sort of paranoid. And he didn't know this is Lakewood because it doesn't say Lakewood. It just says 3-speed. But anyway, I digress. So we just now plugged it in, and we're just now going to turn it on live right here. We don't know if it's going to work or explode or work fine or what. I'm betting it's going to work fine. So, Mr. Bear, get high if you would. Now there you go. The actual first start. We're going to go ahead and put it on medium. Alright, sounds good. There's a little bit of grill rattle. Here's low. It's got really cool resonance.
It has a 2.4 amp motor. Usually you'd expect a 2.7 amp.
Let's go back to high.
I will say it has a rather unique startup sound. I'm so used to the P-23 and S-23 from 2 years prior. 2.7 amp motor. We have the 1974 version of this fan. Plastic blade. And there's also a moving the box one from 75 of the Westinghouse, the fabulous Westinghouse motor. And we have a P version of a first gen from, I'm trying to recall, I want to say 74 as well, because it has the same handle, but it's 1 year newer, so it would have the plastic blades. So we're getting quite a collection of terracotta paintings of different years and different styles and configurations.
Alright, let's go ahead and turn it off. And flip it around, we'll do a startup sound.
Alright. Well, let's watch for spin down time as is without any oiling. It appears to have never been serviced and has a very vintage smell.
Sure does. It's like a powerful, like strong vintage smell. Like you get into a car and someone is smoking, like that strong of a smell of vintage. I love it.
And here's the back.
All right.
Hi. Off. And then we'll do low speed.
It does have a very unique startup sound. It's more of a R than a woo.
Yeah, it's not the typical Lakewood startup sound with a Macmillan. But that's why I love getting all the different variations and models, because of that reason.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do low speed. Should we do medium?
Why not?
Okay, let's let it stop. Now if we could only find P or S-21 2-speed. It's kind of odd that Lakewood's, the 2 speeds are the rare variety, but on Lasco's, the 3 speeds are kind of the rare variety. Alright, let's do medium.
I'll go a little further on that P or S-21 and say we're looking for to buy one or to have someone donate one. We're not looking to trade this for one, because I can see the comment section now with people who, well, I want that one. Send me yours and I'll send you a P21. No, we want to keep this one and add to it, not replace it.
It's going to be real specific. We're looking for a 1971 or even 72 and earlier with the Macmillan motor, 2-speed, preferably country air avocado, but anyone will do.
Yep. Well, we're going to get this cleaned up and we'll have another video later on about this fan once it is cleaned up.
Yep.
So until then, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you'd like to support our channel, visit us on Patreon. Purchases such as this fan are made possible from the support of patrons. And we thank you for that.
Yes, we thank you.
So that'll just about do it. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.